If you've done any amount of 3D printing, you probably have a box of filament ends that are too short to use, but kind of feel wrong to throw away. In this video, I'm testing out the Sunlu Filament Connector. If you haven't seen one of these before, it's basically a heated filament splicer. You feed two pieces of 1.75 millimeter filament into the tool, it heats them, presses them together, and ideally gives you a usable continuous strand. But does it actually work? All right, so we tested out PLA, PETG, and ABS. As far as fusing the materials together, it seems to do a pretty good job. So I used the filament connector to make about 50 connections on this PLA reel here. We're gonna try and run it through the 3D printer and see what happens. First attempt, it broke inside the extruder. Second time around, it got stuck in the filament detection sensor. I would say overall, I would definitely use it for, like, I don't know, taking two half rolls and making them into one roll with just like one connection. But when it comes to just, you know, taking a whole bunch of little pieces of filament and making like a crazy multicolor design, it's not really functional. Out of the 50 connections that I had in my makeshift roll, around 28 of them survived. So this bad boy goes for around 40 to 50 bucks on Amazon. And I'm not sure why they make it look so big in the photos. Out of the box, you get the splicer, power cord, and 200 PTFE sleeves. But overall, pretty good product. I'm definitely gonna use it